Here's where things get more interesting. In certain items or certain collections in Java, we have the ability of using an iterator, and it's the exact same idea that you had when you're introduced to linked list a while ago. Java, I should say, already has a built-in iterator that will frankly go through the list like you would think it would do. Now, thankfully, that iterator already has functions in it in order to do its job. Has next checks to see if there is another item at the end of the list or array or vector or whatever the collection is. Next goes ahead and moves us. This would have been nice in C++, wouldn't it? Hey, but anyway, so that's our next part of the iterators here. Now let's take a look here. Here's our iterator in use. So first of all, we got to create the iterator. So we have an iterator that we know is going to be looking at employees. We call it ITR for short for iterator. And the original name of the list. So Radford is actually the name of the original list that had all the employees in it. And we're just setting the iterator for that. Now, here's a nice while loop. The while loop's iter has next, then it has another item in there. This one's just simply printing everything out that's in there. We have it getting it from the next to actually pulling the value from it, placing it into an employee person, and then using our systemout.print lines, or we just do a print line and then use the toString to print everything out. That's our easy way of getting through this. Now, an iterator has more features. I wouldn't say more features, but anytime that you need to traverse a collection of whatever type, this is very valuable to use because there's already some features in it. It's got checking in it already and everything else like that. So we don't have to worry about nulls or any of that nature. It takes care of all of that for us. So just a heads up that this is our iterator use in a Java collection.